Hi, this is Pat Fitzgerald, the VA loan guy. Today we're going to talk about manufactured homes and moving them. I know some of you are thinking I've already made that video about manufactured homes, but I really felt I need to clarify some rules. So today I want to clarify the rules on moving a manufactured home. A lot of people don't know this, but there are some very, very specific rules about this. And there's a lot of confusion about it. Why is it so important? Because a lender may not be able to do one of the top three loans, that being FHA conventional or VA loan, on a manufactured home if it's been moved. Basically, there are three loans that are affected by these rules. And by the way, FHA does not allow a home to be moved once it's installed where it was originally installed, meaning it can't be sold and moved. Conventional has the same rule. They do not allow one move after that home is installed. The good news is only VA, the VA loan is the only one that does allow one move once the home is installed. So does the factory trip or the trip from the dealer to where it's going to be installed, does that count as move number one? And the answer is no. That is the installation, and that is not counted as one move. But here's what you need to know. If the owner sells the home or gets foreclosed, or for whatever reason that home is taken up from the acreage where it was installed and moved to another location, typically that home might be foreclosed, goes to auction, or goes back to the dealer lot and gets sold to somebody else, and they install it on another property, that is considered a move. And so that's very important that everybody understands this. So the bottom line is the only loan that allows one move is the VA loan. If that home has been moved and you're trying to do an FHA or conventional loan on it, it's not going to be possible. So where do we get all this information? The www.tdhca.com, Texas Department of Housing website, keeps records on every installation for a manufactured home. A manufactured home installer is licensed, and by law he has to log onto that site and put his license number in, the tag numbers of the manufactured home and the serial numbers, and say, I hereby installed this home at this address and property on this day. So that's how we as lenders find out if the home has been moved. So if you're a buyer's agent or a listing agent, no matter which side you're on, this is really critical information for you to know, because some lenders don't even know how to do this. But the bottom line is you want to know upfront in advance if you're wasting your time. And I certainly don't want you to do that. So anyway, if you got questions, I'm at 210-215-4400. And as I say to everybody, it doesn't cost a penny to talk. So give me a call right now. I'll answer all your questions. Once again, 210-215-4400. Thanks.